Danko bafowethu, danko good people. Namhlanje bafowethu, ake ngithi nje sesifikile ku-2026. It's 8 minutes to 12 bafowethu ukuthi kushaye u-2026 bafowethu, nama-cricket seqala kancane kancane ayashaya. Ngithi ake ngi-update bafowethu, ke ngikhulume kakhulu ngiqale awuthi ngiqale ngo-Aiden McCarthy bafowethu. Aiden McCarthy bafowethu is the best player. Le ndaba zokuthi bafuna ukumdayisa or bamhlalise ebhentshini, I don't think is a good thing, but I think somewhere bayamkhulisa umfana, bayamkhulisa. Let's not complain a lot, because that can help him ukwenzela ukuthi uma esengena bafowethu abe naso isizathu sokuthi why engena in the field bafowethu, because of amanye ama-players they are just going there, they don't have any reason ukuthi why bangena in the field. So such things bafowethu zidinga i-great character. And then bese kube ile ndoda uNtshebe bafowethu. uNtshebe bafowethu ngeke kumele aphume bafowethu ayojoyina noma aboSiwelele noma amanye ama-team bafowethu angenayo i-striker, ngoba i-Kaizer Chiefs bafowethu, to respect him, is a big team bafowethu, we do respect him. Lona bafowethu uNtshebe, kodwa inkinga bafowethu i-game of play yakhe uwiki kakhulu bafowethu. Akanayo i-character bafowethu ukuthi angakubonisa something nawe ukuthi uma engena bafowethu ungathola mhlawumbe abalandeli nabo ba-celebrate. Uma engena wonke umuntu ubhekisa phansi ikhanda, because they understand ukuthi ayikho into azosilethela yona bafowethu, into ayizele nje ukuthi ufana nomuntu ozogeza izandla. And then bese kube yile ndoda noDupree bafowethu. uDupree, yes, kunalapha kubuye wayisiza khona i-Kaizer Chiefs kancane, kuba ngathi umuntu nje ongena order, ukwabona umuntu nje ongasho ukuthi eyi mhlambe uma engenile sengayenza. Akusulo muntu ongakunikeza amathemba uma engena egrawundini bafowethu. Ingakho khonile ukuthi ahluleke amabhola asimpulu bafowethu, la bekumele azibonise khona bafowethu ama-one on one. Uwahlulekile ama-one on one. I don't think you will have ama-chance afana nalawo bafowethu Kaizer Chiefs, because udlalile isikhathi eside umfana, but ayikho into esiyibonile. I think omunye umuntu naye kumele aphume bafowethu ayojoyina amanye ama-team afana nabo-Chippa United, mhlambe nabo-Siwelele, Royal AM, I don't know. But nje ama-team afana nabo-Sekhukhune mhlambe bake bamthathe, maybe esengathola i-combination e-right, because we don't know ukuthi yini, because bayefana ngisho naye uNtshebe bafowethu. uNtshebe i-direction yakhe ngeke uze uyi-understand ukuthi uya kuphi bafowethu. Angeke uze uyi-understand umjida, because of since abuyile I thought uzoyenza something better. He went, he was given i-penalty, a simple thing bafowethu, ukuthi take the team to the next game. Wahluleka umjida, wahluleka ukuthwala umthwalo emahlombe wakhe, wazibonisa ukuthi yena uma ngabe kuthiwa sebhekane nenkinga eyi-one ngeke aze akhona ukuyimela. And in Kaizer Chiefs we need such players abafana nabo-Knowledge Msona bafowethu. Ngagcina ukubona kahle kahle i-striker mina besi-strong ngo-Knowledge Msona lapha ku-Kaizer Chiefs, because yibo abantu abakhona ukwenza izinto zenzeke lapha. Ubone nawe ukuthi ya cha kudlaliwe lana, bese kube umdo or die bafowethu. uShabalala naye I think kumele naye akhuphule amasokisi bakhe, akhona ukudlala ibhola bafowethu, lela alizele nalela aqala ukuduma ngalo bafowethu, ngoba isikhathi usasenesikhathi esi-enough bafowethu. Kodwa into engamelanga ayigcina ayithola bafowethu yikuthi ajikelwe ngama-player, because ungabona sowujikelwe, I mean ngama-fans bafowethu, ungabona sowujikelwe ngama-supporters, just know ukuthi it's the end of the road for you, unless if you have big heart njengamanye ama-player abafana nabo-Chivaviro kanjena. Ama-fans amjikela, but he went to other teams, he went to perform, yabona. So kufuneka umuntu one-strong character, one-big heart, owazi ukubekezela, onganalo uvalo. But umfana I'm scared because he's still young umfana. And then even naye u-Obrigado bafethu, Obrigado naye is still young bafethu. Omunye umuntu naye kumele azibonakalise kakhulu bafethu, angadlaleli umndeni wakhe kuphela, makadlalele the whole nation, makadlalele the whole world bafethu. If he want to perform, if you want to be known as a best player, because right now when I check him, udlalela yena kuphela umfana ukuthi nomndeni wakhe ukuthi want to go phesheya, ayodlala phesheya, and that can work but sometimes it cannot work. You have to play, you have to carry the whole world, you have to carry the whole nation bafethu, uzibonise i-character yakho iphethe. Umfana uyalazi ibhola kakhulu, uyakwazi ukudlala, but kusase nalaba bafethu engisase nensolo khona, but I don't blame them kakhulu abafana because of lapha in the midfielder of i-Kaizer Chiefs, abafana they don't get a good supplier. They are not being supplied properly because uyabona the likes of abo let's say u-Ox umuntu odlala bafethu, but akanawo ama-good passes. Bese kubuye kulamadoda lana abo bathi bani, uMatlo, yes ngike ngambona naye kulama last game 2 games wakhe, ubeshaya exactly lento besiyidinga bafethu. It's just ukuthi vele bekusafuneka i-combination ukuthi bajwayelane ukuthi ndoda mina mangishaye iphasi wena shona lapha ulitrephe kanjena, ibhola lakho mawulishayele, is it strong or is it soft ball? Uyabona kumele bajwayele into ezifana nalezi. But omunye umuntu ongidlalela kamnandi engineshow ukuthi one day he will play for Bafana. uLebogang Babuyi bafethu is the best player, and into engimthandela yona ukuthi akanalo uvalo, uyakwazi ukubhekana namapali, and we need such players bafethu. So yiyo le update bafethu yokugcina eka 2025 sengu 2026 njengamanje. Only 1 minute left. Happy, be safe wherever you are. Happy New Year bafethu, nijabule kahle, ningazilimazi. Danko.